Move your umbrella.
I'll get wet already.
Yeah, okay. So, here we are, the Gympie Floods. You know, we were here earlier this morning and the water's risen probably another metre higher. It's about 22 metres or so now. So this is now becoming a major historic flood for Gympie. It's just so sad. So many businesses, so many homes being inundated. The council's just given an evacuation order for people in the south side area. So about 700 residents have been asked to evacuate their homes. And I'll move out of the way shortly. And where we're standing now is the Merry Valley Road. So looking southbound. There we go. And I'll turn around shortly. And there is such a huge amount of water. We were talking with people this morning, just on the other side, a bit further down this road, and just seeing the water about to inundate their properties. So much pain and so much heartache. It's about 4:30 Saturday afternoon as the waters continue to rise on the Merry River. It is still raining and still rising. Some homes getting seriously isolated with the flood. River levels still rising. The flooding in and around Gympie is going to be absolutely huge. So much pain and heartache today. Standing on the Merry Valley Road, looking over towards Gympie. Another 3 metres of water expected to rise through the day. It's not raining at the moment, but they're saying that we could still get another 100 mil or so. Might try and come back later in the day and just see how the levels have changed.